Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head from the past.
Not me about to bust my ass. Oh shit. Look who I'm with you. No, YouTube actually did just take a video down.
Why?
Because they said my swimsuit was sexual nudity. But yo, I'm with Shay. Look how beautiful she looks. Like, yes, vacation ready. No, you don't.
Oh, really? I don't like this place. It's not my favorite. But I ain't want to do too much.
I like it.
I got my other one. You know where the snack bar is at?
Snack bar?
Yeah. You're a local? Alright, thank you, cutie. Have a good one.
You see the snack right there. No, I'm just kidding.
So ladies and gents, remember you're working with me. When I say one, you say two. On three, we're gonna set them free. One! Come on, parents, wake up, man, wake up, wake up. Not sleeping time now. One!
He told me, didn't we just celebrate Valentine's Day? I said, okay. But
That's what I need to do is just get my camera and be a photographer. I used to do that shit and then my son broke my camera.
Oh shit.
So I be self-sabotaging because I don't ever get warranty on shit.
really?
There's nothing going on right now.
Damn thing, you did that, I know. Singing and dancing all in the way. Turn around inside, sway yourself to the right.
she's driving. Yeah, man, she's sailing the boat in Jamaica. Yeah, man, everything is Iron, man. This is the way when you come to Jamaica. Yeah, man, we give you a lot of flavor, so we put a lot of pepper on the chicken. See that? Yeah, man, Iron, man.
Thank you. All right, y'all, so Shay and I tried to go bowling, but there's like an extremely long wait time right now. So we're currently at the Showtime area watching like the Jamaica show, and I like it a lot. I love the energy, I love the dancers. So I'm kind of disappointed we couldn't bowl though, but really you can go bowling everywhere, so it is what it is. But I'm about to let her know that the bowling is still full.
did that.
Oh, what
I
number?
called the front desk and then they give me the extension. Then I call whatever number they give me.
What is that? 0?
No. 9001. That's front, like the lobby.
Oh. I'm about to eat, upload this video, get in the hot tub. I don't want to hang up because I've been on hold for this long now, but I'm starting to think that maybe.
Look, they got some upside down customer service. How you answer that and leave the kitchen on? I heard you answer. Like, what the fuck? This is saying 1 minute.
You want pictures? Hallway pictures? Or you could do them in the room.
With all my jalopy. No. I was waiting for her to clear up. Move them. Little. This is the other sexy thing. Get into it. Wait a minute now. That was no,
Alright. Like with the curtains? What? What? Oh, hell no.
You provide me with your room number, please,
2112.
and the name that's on the room.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
The name that's on the room, please, and the last name, please.
Morris?
Okay. Do you have any food allergies or dietary needs that
No.
I need to be aware of?
No.
Okay, so your order will be there in the next 45 minutes or less.
Alright, thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
Alright, bye. Thank you. Yes. Service just got here, y'all. I'm so hungry. I'm so excited to eat it. Let me put some shorts on. You guys, so it is my last day in Jamaica. I had wished I had vlogged a little bit more, but I was just having too much fun on the resort, y'all. And I didn't get to do as much excursions as I wanted to. I really haven't done any yet, but I'm supposed to be going down today to see if there's any left available. Shay has been doing excursions, which I'm so happy for her because they look hella fun. So, but I do want to get off this resort at some point. So I had to wake up a little bit earlier than this morning. A little bit earlier this morning than I usually have been. And I'm about to go see if there's anything that can be booked last minute. If not, I'm just gonna chill around the resort. I kind of wanted to do some hydrotherapy a little bit later, maybe get a massage, and just basically just get into it because it is my last day. But first, it is 7:30 this morning. I'm about to light one up because we're in Jamaica, so I kind of have to. I'm about to light one up. I don't know if I want to go light it up by the beach or if I want to light it up on the balcony, but I think I might go down to the beach because I tried to smoke down there yesterday and it was just so beautiful. Like the scenery was so gorgeous. But get into this swimsuit, y'all. This swimsuit is from Bella Barnett. I'm actually going to be wearing their clothes throughout this entire video. So before I get started with this video, I just want to say thank you to Bella Barnett for sponsoring this video. I'm going to roll into some information about them. You guys check out the information that I'm going to have in the description box below so that you guys can shop with them. I'm also going to have a discount code for you guys, so get into it. And yeah, you guys, let's get started with this video. Let's start by going down to the beach and lighting one up because we're in Jamaica. We're in Jamaica. Like, that's the only way to do it. All right, y'all. So I'm headed back to the room. I finally booked a tour. I haven't done any excursions since I've been here, and I'm like, I gotta see Jamaica. So I booked a tour today. It's an all-day tour. It leaves at 10:45. There's pretty much transportation from the resort and back. I haven't eaten anything, so y'all can't hear me at all. I'm also about to go down to the beach and see if I can find one of those water packs that I can put my phone in and stuff, because the one at the gift shop was $30 and I'm not doing that. I really should have got one from the freaking Family Dollar before I came, but I didn't even know those existed, y'all. I don't be in the water like that, but yeah, I'm about to go down to the beach and see if there's one down there. I'm probably going to get harassed down there because that's just what they do, like. And my titty keeps popping out, so that's fun. But yeah, I need to hurry because, like I said, I haven't eaten. I still need to book for me and Shay to eat at the Sakura tonight because you have to book a reservation. So I'm going to do that right before I get on the transport to get to the tour. And I'm really excited, you guys. I'm really, really excited because, like I said, I haven't been off the resort yet, and I'm just ready for a good time. But yeah, I'm about to go down to this little thing on the beach where some of the local people are selling like souvenirs and stuff. Not part of the resort, but just like their own little hustle. And I'm gonna see if they have I'm gonna see if they have y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This lady all up in my business about my hair. She do not like how I have my hair, but leave me alone. Go away. She was talking about my outfits. She was talking about my hair, so I just ignored the fuck out of her just now because leave me alone. Like, leave me alone. But yeah, you guys, I'm just chilling. I'm excited for this tour. I really need to eat and I need to get some coffee. And like I said, I need to find something to put all my stuff in because I didn't really bring like a bag, like a duffel bag or nothing. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna carry everything, like a backpack. I didn't bring a backpack. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna carry everything with me. All I brought was purses and shit like that. I don't know why I didn't even think about bringing a backpack. Like, that just would have been so smart. Or like a big duffel bag. And everything here at the shops is freaking ridiculously pricey. Like, so crazy. But yeah, that's how I'm about to go down to the local touristy people, because a lot of the time you can get you a good little deal. So we're about to see what it's going for. We're about to see exactly what it's going for. I don't want to spend more than $5 on this little water pack thing. You know, the thing that you put your phone in and you put your money in when you don't want things to get wet, but you won't be in the water, because I'm be snorkeling. I should have got my hair done. I should have got my hair locked. This lady keeps talking about, you should have got your hair locked. You should have got your hair locked. Like, lady, I know. Trust me. I low-key wish that I had, because I'm all up in the water. Let me show you guys how it looks out here. Guys, I'm eating me a little bit of breakfast for just kidding, because I just dropped it in the floor, so I'm not eating breakfast. Nope, I'm not. I just dropped it in the floor. But nah, so I did go to the coffee shop and I got me a pastry and an iced coffee, and I also got a free gift from the diamond shop. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. I got a free gift from House of Diamonds they gave me. They gave me this shot glass. Super cute. I love it. So yeah. Also, we have a reservation for tonight at Sakura. To be honest, y'all, I'm probably gonna eat at two places. I'm probably gonna eat there, and I'm probably gonna eat at Sakura, because I get back at 7. I know I'm gonna be hungry when I get back, and there's a place that I wanted to try still. Another restaurant I wanted to try. I just wanted to be able to try all the restaurants, so I think it's one more that I haven't tried yet. So I've been doubling up my eating. Like, yesterday, I ate at a restaurant, and then I ordered room service late night. I think yesterday I ate 4 times. Okay. It just tastes like a croissant, but it's like kind of sweet. And then I have my iced coffee, which they put in here. I'm not sure why. My titties have been popping out of the swimsuit all morning. Oh, I also got this bag, y'all, since I'm going on a tour. I didn't bring like a swim bag / duffel bag. And they gave me a list of everything I needed to bring, and I didn't have anything to carry it in, so I just grabbed that. I also grabbed this to put my phone in. I'm excited for the tour.
When you see them crazy Jamaicans along the roadway, that's what you're going to be saying. Thank God you're not driving. Yeah, because there are a lot of crazy drivers here. I come, mommy, wanna go home. No, that's the song that they sang while they were stacking the bananas for export. And while they were stacking it for export, they were sipping some good old Jamaican white rum. Flips were at
Should be used just in case of emergency. Now, the way the jacket works, you place it over the head, resting on the shoulders. There's a strap, it goes under the arm, around the back, comes to the front, fits into a clip. This can be adjusted to your fit. Now, children 12 years and older should be wearing a life vest at all times while the boat is in motion.
Boob is out, but I don't think anyone can see because they're looking at fish. So we're just gonna act like that's not happening. Hello. Thank you. no thank you.
Climbing the waterfalls. No, them on there.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Y'all know how to climb that thing?
Okay. Are you on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Really? Oh, wow.
I kept looking at you because I'm like, she looks like her, but I don't want to ask her if she look like her.
That's crazy. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Last vlog I saw you with the diver or something.
Yeah, that's crazy. What the fuck? That's crazy. Damn.
Yeah, but I live in Charlotte, so.
Okay. I live in South Carolina.
We're close. Take all the
Oh, that's cold.
Walking with Debbie and come with me. Lord, come with me.
y'all watching the video or y'all
Come on, come with us. You're going with Debbie. Yeah. We did the same one with you, too.
Whatever you want, I got.
I just said finish.
I'm cutting you down. Hey, what?
Why you backing up?
Is it too big?
I'm ready.
You're ready. All right. One. Shoot.
That was close. That was close.
I like that.
Come on.
Try it.
What is it good for? Do we have any birthdays tonight? No birthdays? One, two, and three. Oh! Who's that?
My mouth is on fucking fire. Okay. We get so close.
Oh my, that was close. I'm getting on floor. I got a lot of space. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, what was that? Oh! What you got?
I was like, oh, how old are you, by the way? And he was like 18. I was like, oh, shit. You're a baby. He was like, well, how old are you? I was like, 25.
She said, I'm 30.
And then he passed out.
You're
I
lying.
was like, oh, yeah, he's a baby. Oh, shit.
Did he literally pass out for real?
Yes. And then everybody in his family was laughing at him.
Why did he
They were
pass
like,
out?
oh, he was smoking the whole time. And he's not used to smoking, so.
See, that's what happened when you're a little kid. You do stupid shit.
And you come on the adult trip.
Trying to be fucking grown.
Yeah, they gave us some champagne. Tonight's our last night. They gave us some champagne. This looks so freaking bougie right now. And they gave us cheese. They gave us fruit.
That's gone. Demolished.